Let's solve this set theory problem step by step. We need to find a union, the intersection of B and C. Let's first visualize these sets using a Venn diagram. Here we have our three sets A, B, and C. Let's label the elements in each set. First, let's find the intersection of sets B and C. Looking at sets B and C, we can see that they share the elements 2 and A. Now that we have B intersection C, which is 2A, we need to find its union with set A, which is 2, 3, 4. The union will include all elements from both sets without duplicating any repeated elements. Therefore, a union, B intersection C, equals the set 2, 3, 4, A, or let's verify this. We have 2 from both sets, 3 and 4 from set A, and a from B intersection C. This gives us our final answer, 2, 3, 4, A. To summarize, we first found B intersection C, which gave us 2, A. Then we took the union of this result with set A, giving us our final answer, 2, 3, 4, A.